Hey everyone, this is Lee at Coachmen Northern Spirit. I'm coming today to show you the new 2560 rear kitchen. There's a lot of cool little features I think you're going to enjoy about this couples coach, so let's check it out. Just some great exterior features I want to show you guys in the new 2560 is the sky view front cap. This is all automotive grade glass. When you go on the inside, you're going to really, this makes this unit feel large and open. It really brings the outside in. Continue with the Northern Spirit Camping Simplified features, what we're known for, fishing pole storage. This is a great place to put your fishing rods so they're not getting tangled and smashed in the pass-through, as well as our 3/4 inch bit. You bring your electric screw gun, you can raise and lower your stab jacks. It's all those little key features that makes camping simple with Northern Spirit. One of the things that's going to make this 2560 rear kitchen so popular is it's under 30 foot. It's under 6,000 pounds, so it's half-ton towable, as well as the great construction features that Northern Spirit offers. Heated and closed underbelly, all 6-sided aluminum cage construction, double Asdel laminated sidewalls, as well as a spread axle design for easy towability. On the rear of the camper, you're going to have an outdoor camp kitchen with an outside refrigerator for your extra drinks or condiments, as well as a pull-out griddle that hooks right into your quick connect, as well as the dog leash clip. So Northern Spirit was the first one to do this in 2018, exterior dog leash clip. You get to the campsite, you can hook your dog up, you're not using one of those stakes to tie into the ground. It continues with the Camping Simplified model that's put us on the map. Now that we've talked about some of the outside features of Northern Spirit, let's head inside and I'll show you some of the cool things that you're really gonna enjoy on this camper. Hey guys, continue in the living room with the 2560. You got a nice big oversized slide with theater seat, trifold option, 10 cube refrigerator, large windows throughout. That's really gonna make this camper feel large, bring that outside in. In the kitchen, you're gonna notice ample counter space with lots of cupboards for extra storage. Continue with some of those cool Camping Simplified features with towel bars and bottle opener right here. Plenty of receptacles for all your plug-ins. This is another great place if you just want to hang out in the morning, drink your coffee, eat breakfast. This is a 50-inch televator, so it does come down and does have a large panoramic window to overlook your campsite as well. So this checks all the boxes in this nice couples coach. Coming into the bathroom, the 2560, you're going to find a lot of great storage options. You got your medicine cabinet with storage underneath with the motion activated floor light, shelving next to that as well, built-in medicine cabinet for all your accessories, as well as a linen storage up top behind the shower. It also comes with porcelain toilet and a glass door shower. Coming into the bedroom of the new 2560, you're going to notice a lot of windows. This bedroom just feels large and spacious with this sky view front cap for true stargazing experience. As well as linen and shirt storage on your wall as well. So there's lots of storage in this couples coach for those long weeks that you're on the road. Thanks again for checking out the new 2560 at Northern Spirit. If you want more information on it, check the Coachmen website or contact your local Northern Spirit dealer.